Hi guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to another tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the language on Epic Games. Now, all you have to do is open up the Epic Games launcher, and once you're inside, just click your profile in the upper right, and you will see where it gives you some options. Here you want to go to settings, and from here, you will see where it says language. Here you can go ahead and just click the drop down here where it shows by default it is set to my system default language. This is the Windows one. Well, that's pretty much fine. You can go ahead and just change it to something else of your choice, right? Keep in mind that if you go ahead and change the language on your PC, again, let's say you have it set to system default and you change the language on your computer, then it's going to also reflect in Epic Games. But if you want to have a separate language from your system that you have in Epic Games, let's say you're bilingual and you want to use one language in Epic Games and one on your PC, then you can go ahead and just change it right here. So again, you just open up Epic Games Launcher, click your account on the upper right, and from here you go into the settings, and right here you'll have the language section. You can change the language, right? So that's all that you have to do, guys. Very easy and very simple.